Hey guys, how's it going? Zima here. Today we talk about Myria. This has been one of the Node projects that has been live for over a year by now, and most people that bought a Node back then for like $4,000, quite expensive for that, most people almost got their return on investment. I think if you sold at the all-time high of the token price, which was about 1.5 cents, 1.5 or 15 cents. There was a 1 and 5 in there. You got about 80% of your return on investment so far. And we're at the start of this bull run, meaning if there is going to be a Web3 gaming platform, kind of like you could say Steam or let's say the Epic Games launcher, which is similar to that, you now have that plus nodes, which is pretty interesting. Now, nodes right now cost almost $6,000. You can pay for that, I think, only in the Myria token. And it's a pretty annoying way in order to purchase one. What you have to do is purchase the Myria token on any of the exchanges it's listed on. I think something like BitMax, Maxi, Bybit, one of them, it's listed on, and send it into your wallet in order to make a purchase. Now, when you want to purchase the node and you click on Buy Myria Node, you will see the price over here on the right-hand side after you connect your wallet will update like once a minute. So always send like 5% extra just in case. You have to deposit this on the website while your wallet is connected and then make a purchase. So, we do get rewarded for our contribution, of course. There's also, I think, like a 10 or 20% referral link when it comes to this. And while they say limited supply available, only 40,000 nodes will ever be released. They sold, I think, 9,000 in the first couple months and then 1,000 over the past 6 months. So this is not going to get reached, most likely. This seems to be stuck at around 10 to 11K. Nothing else happens. Even if you click on nodes in general when you connect it, one cycle is just 24 hours. You have to run the node for 6 hours on your PC with the software. A little difficult to set up, but there are step-by-step guides. Or you set it up on a virtual private network, and then it just runs automatically. This means, let's say some people forgot to set it up. Less than 10,000 have been sold, right? 30,000 are still remaining. 300 people forgot that they have this, and 9,000 have been sold. So there isn't really a rush for this. 98 more to sell until the price increases by $50 or $100, I think. This is pretty expensive. The best one still, when it comes to nodes for return on investment, is the Elysium, as a node costs about 2.5K, generates you 16 tokens a day worth 30 cents each. So about, I would say, what is it, like 0.5%, third of a percent daily return on investment. So within less than 10 months, you do get your money back. This will take over a year. If the price goes up and the ecosystem behind it goes well, this is going to make some money. But until then, we'll see. They say they want to shape the future of play one game at a time, meaning that their commitment is to revolutionize digital asset ownership and gaming experiences. That's why we have NFTs. We're not just a platform, no. We're a community-driven force for change. That's a bunch of... It doesn't say much. Join us on a remarkable journey from our origins to a global leader where passion, tenacity, and collaboration converge to create a gaming ecosystem that empowers players and transforms the future. What I don't like for projects in general, actually humanity, is when they say so many useless words. Passion, tenacity. If you were to remove 80% of the words in here, you would still have the same meaning behind it, which means most of the words they use, like empowers players, what does that mean? Kind of pointless. So whenever organizations talk in this way, it feels like you want to make the investors happy. Yeah, a world of possibilities starts here, made for creators by creators. See, this is so much better than this gibberish out there. We leverage our own Web3 gaming solutions to create cutting-edge, top-performing content at Myria Studios, and our quiet insights are transformed into powerful tools shared with you to enhance your capabilities and performance. Which means, with the entire team that is doxed behind it, and Ubisoft, Activision, Facebook, and others that are experienced when it comes to the team behind it, they seem to be moving in the right direction. Now, whenever something seems really corporate, keep in mind, they attract the investors and the venture capitalists that have hundreds of millions, if not billions of dollars to invest into it. Token, how does it go so far? It's listed on OKX, KuCoin, Bybit, Gate, Uniswap, and if we go to CoinMarketCap very quick, this is down like 60% or so since we peaked up here. up here back in December. I think the exact peak was 1.5 cents then. So we're down 70%, but we're also up 70% from last year, which means overall, with the next stack up in the bull run, this can go to 500 mil or a billion, I would say, and then the nodes make a whole bunch of money. So far, a single node, based on this price up here, makes about $4 a day. At this point up there, with a little higher market cap, we made about $15 a day, give or take. So it's about $5 right now. And spending $6,400 to make $5. If you believe in this over the next year and a half and you want to take the risk, go for it. Otherwise, it's not really justifiable. If you bought them at the very beginning, so like right here, and you accumulated the tokens and sold them here, you're positive already. But if you buy right now, I don't know what the future has for it. Maybe it's going to be something like that, where it only goes down. Not sure. They want to power over 1 million users, or they do it already. The cool thing is they have 0 gas fees on Myria Layer 2, which is kind of like IMX. So Immutable X, where you also have no gas fees, or barely any gas fees, if you buy and sell things on the platform. And if this does what it's supposed to be, and becomes the thing that it's supposed to be over the next 5, 6 months, year or so, this is going to go well. But if it doesn't, then you potentially lost $6,400 on a node that you have to operate or pay for the server, have to claim the tokens, which are on ETH, so you have to pay gas fees. Idea is great. We'll see how it goes. The node I have, again, made most of the money back already, so there's nothing much to lose anymore for me. But we'll see. There also are some campaigns where you can win $200, but for the fact that they're that big, $200 isn't really that much. They could do some more for the community, have some more games to come out, but quality takes time, so we'll see how this goes long term. Let me know what you think, links down below, and until next time, have a good one.